Hi, my name is Faith, and I have my master's degree in nursing. If you're interested in nursing school, here are the 3 top tips for success in your program. Number 1, find your tribe. These are the people who you can grow with, who you can encourage, and who will encourage you along the way. Find people that you study well with, and create study guides and support each other. Tip number 2, get to know your teachers. Your teachers are on your side and they want you to succeed. Go to their office hours, email them, call them, just reach out whenever you need help. Tip number 3, find and use free online resources. Quizlet and Khan Academy, as well as YouTube, are great choices. Also, for any research citations, I recommend using Purdue OWL.